Hey guys, how y'all doing again? Just wanted to show you what I made. I had a Spawn action figure. He was out of the box. Don't mind my shoes. And I had a skull from Halloween. He was on a little pedestal. It's a big skull. I had some rocks and some lights and some moss. So I just put them together. There's the little battery thing for the lights. I'll hide that better in a bit, but I just finished him. Okay, he looks angry. That's one of his victims. There's a scythe. His fancy weapon, and I even threw a little scorpion hidden in there, so let's see what it looks like with the lights off. That's where I'll make my adjustments on the lights. Because usually I put the lights on while I'm doing this, try to mess with it a little bit. I didn't do that this time. Let's get this out of the way for the glare. Okay, so that's lit up really good. I need some more light over here. Just a little bit. Let me mess with these lights just a bit.
A phone, iPad, computer, see if you plan this out, do any research, any co-conspirators, anybody.
Okay. So that was a gold skull. I took it off the little base it was on. There's this scythe. Got some moss. Got real good moss. And there he goes. He's a little bit more lit up. Just had to move some lights, you know. These lights are from the dollar store. Now, I know they sell these other lights like people use for the inside of their cars. And it's just like a strip of lights and you can tape them. So I was thinking of getting some of that for what I'm going to do next. I'm going to try to make my own little UFO ship. Because I bought some little miniature animals. And I was going to make it look like it's just flying by and abducting some people and some cows. That's what I was going to do today. I was going to try to do it with like paper mache. So if I screw up, it's not such a big deal. Anyway, guys, I hope you like it. It was a Spawn action figure. Or it is a Spawn action figure. Those are really good. Action figures, they come in really good detail. And everything else is from the dollar store. As far as the lights go. We've got the Halloween stuff, the scythe. The scorpion came in a big old bag of animals. And the moss. The moss is very expensive if you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But they have different varieties at the dollar store, so check that out. And I was going to paint the little scythe red. Put some dripping blood coming down on top of the skull. I might still do that. But for now, I'm happy. A little paint stick to help me move some stuff out of the way. There we go. So, I do have some videos showing how to do some of this stuff. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking it out with me. My wife went shopping and left me here, so this is what happens. Can't you tell I'm an out of control husband? Alright, guys. Well, y'all have a great night, evening, morning, wherever you're at, whenever you're watching this. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Maybe I'll make another instructional video. Oh, how I did this one. Lots of rocks. I was going to make a mountain. So I kind of did. If you look at the back, I built up the back for him to stand on. Then I made a little pedestal in there with some moss around it. There's some rocks back there. That's pretty much it. I wanted styrofoam. I couldn't find any, so there you go. All right, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Maybe I'll go somewhere tomorrow. Good night. See you later.
Pennsylvania Avenue. pulled a weapon.
This is what I did, babe.
Secret Service police returned fire.
Scary man.
Area hospital where he was pronounced deceased.
Scary man.
Bystander, so this person was not an assailant. This was a bystander.
Spooky.
Was also struck by gunfire.
Don't be scared, Chris.